Up next, reggae dancer Sing J, QueCee, welcome.
Yeah, it's a pleasure, you know, it's a pleasure.
Yeah, man. So QueCee, let's give your viewers a little background and as to who QueCee is.
Well, you know, QueCee is a vibrant individual, a vibrant soul, one who seeks to always, you know, express himself and express basically what has been going around him, surrounded. You know, in everything we do, we always stand for something. And whatever we stand for, we bring it out in our music at all times, you know. We always keep a positive mind frame and a positive mindset. QueCee is all about upliftment, strengthening, you know, and everything that is positive. QueCee.
So QueCee, how did you get started in music?
Well, get started in music. Actually, I started as a musician. You know, so playing instruments, you know, different instruments, bass guitar, keyboard, you know, fool around all of the different instruments and so forth. However, prior to that, I always have been singing. I just never took it serious. I just never thought to myself, say, yo, you know, I'm a singer. There came a point now, you know, I started singing and choir and so forth at church, and after singing at each event, I always get a good reception. And they're like, yo, you can sing, you know. And then what brought me to the acknowledgement now, basically, to say, yeah man, I'm gonna do these things, because every single time I sing, somebody come to me and say, yo, something boy, your voice just moved me spiritually, you know, on a level. So I always try to ensure that whatever we put our voice to is something that is positive and uplifting at all times, you know. Yeah.
QueCee, who would you say are some of your musical influences in the game?
Definitely, man, like Dennis Brown, Gregory Isaacs, you know, Perry Saman. Was a old school from all them things. You know, they always say I'm a old soul, you know, and I've come to believe that for real, you know. I'm a old soul. I mean, I do tune into nowadays music and so forth. Yeah, I have other persons, you know, I do look up to, you know what I mean. But at the end of the day, those are the core foundations upon which my inspiration are you know, came from. So that's basically it.
How would you describe your style of music and what makes QueCee different from the rest?
Well, my style of music is somewhat unorthodox, because it is unpredictable, because the reception is like, you know, coming from a youth like me, the kind of message that I bring and the kind of vibe, the kind of music, you know, overall, people always like, yo, not in life, you're a young youth, yeah, do it, you know. What makes QueCee different basically is the fact say we believe in what we believe in, and we always stay true and firm to that, despite all odds, you know. Even when the industry kind of swing another way, we still keep firm and make sure so we're on the right path.
Alright, talk to us now about some of your new releases and projects.
Well, there are many upcoming releases, you know. Like, namely, like, you have Jaya You Alone. You know, you have another one named Real. Yeah, and there are many more upcoming. And I'm actually super excited because I can't wait for release them, you know. So the world can actually hear what QueCee and PHE have to give to the world, you know. Because we have Gideon so far out there, as I know, it's circulating. We're gonna do some more push and promotion on that, because I believe in Gideon a lot, you know. Definitely can look out for a single entitled Ja Are You Alone or Ja Alone. Definitely. And onwards, we're just gonna be keep on dropping music after that, music after music after music. So let's look out from great things from QueCee music, you know.
Alright, so right away, just tell them where they can find on your socials, so they can follow and look out for the music.
Well, all my socials currently is at QueCee Music Official or QueCee Music. So that is QUE QueeMuzhece with a difference, you know.
Alright. And what would you say QueCee is your ultimate goal in music?
My ultimate goal in music, you know, is to reach to the level whereby my music can reach the world. As long as my music and my message is reaching the world, that's the greatest joy for me. As simple as that.
And if you could collaborate with one artist, who would it be and why?
Overall, or just like in what genre, anything?
Overall,
Current artists.
you're a choice, you know.
There are many still, you know. There are so many. There are so many, to be honest. There are so many. At this point in time, I would say probably I don't know, Popcorn. Popcorn, yeah, definitely.
Why Popcorn?
Because honestly, Popcorn musically for me, him do it, you know. Musically him do it. Even though you can't really take that from him. You have to just give it to him. Him one of them artists there, you have to just know say him do the work and him put it in, because musically, if you realize Popcorn songs them, the melodies them just always something was just there in our different heavens, you know. I don't even think even him realize that. But definitely, yeah, him one of them. Yeah, so this is the intro for Jah You Alone. Help me out today. I just thought I'd have my way a little bit longer and I'll be fine, yeah. Then on one very lonely day, a strange voice spoke to me saying, QueCee, be stronger, oh you be fine. Cause even though I don't know what it's like to be alone, without Jah's love being around. So we have to sing, Jah, are you alone? You held my hand, lifted me up as I trod the rocky road. Jah, are you alone? You gave me strength when I was weak. You never let me down, no. Jah, are you alone? You cared for me when I was down. Jah, are you alone? We have to sing every time, you know. Squeeze.
Alright, so QueCee, respect. And
bless up.
Before you go, just big up, who you big up?
You know, one big up PHE, definitely. As namely can talk about them are Jordan, Matthew, management team. One big up Teino Evans, music or media, you know what I'm saying? In the place. We up next. Don't bother vex. Don't get me perplexed. Squeeze!